Yo, so it's been a little bit since an upload, and I did my engine mount. You know, I'll kind of throw that in a video here and there, but yeah, it's been a little bit since I've done stuff on this car, and I kind of, you know, lost a bit on the way it sits, and I don't like the way it sits. I don't like the way it looks. So we're gonna be fixing that and trying to get some passion back into this build. So we have some packages here that we are going to unbox. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and, you know, unbox these and see all that we got. The main part of this whole build was not to be like fast or quick or whatever it is that this turned into. I guess you could say that the internet kind of led me astray with what I wanted to build in this car. And I think that's important when you're building something or putting a car together, to just remember why you're building the car and not why other people are building the car, right? And I think that was a big thing for this car, and what happened. Not like anything bad, you know, it's nothing that's not inherently savable, but I just kind of went the wrong way with it, which is crazy to say. But we're going to be fixing it, you know, making the steps in this video, and hopefully by the end of it we look better. But just remember, you know, build your car for you, not what the internet tells you to do, or how to build it, or whatever it is, right? So we're just gonna go back a couple steps and undo a lot of stuff that we did. So that's what these packages should be for. A lot of them is to fix things and to do the look on all these cars. So, you know, we got some cool stuff, parts in there, some OEM parts, some wheels to put on the car. Not like I'm getting rid of these, but you know what I mean. So yeah, let's get started. All right. First package. This right here should be an OEM windshield motor. So, yep, needed that. Because your boys' motors are toast. Don't store your car without a hood on it in the driveway for months. And we got another one because they are shorted the fuck out. Alright, so that's cool. Next, we picked up some paint and some primer, and those are going to match the rear brakes with the car. This shit looks sick. I wanted to do my turbo, you know, I really did. I don't think I'm going to pull the turbo off today. That's a crazy color. Damn, yeah, that'll be cool to have. I got two because I might do the faces of my wheels. That, oh, I shouldn't have sprayed that. And we got a banner to put on the back of the car. More of that later. Polishing pads for the drill. I know, save the entire thing for last. I want to try them out. Yeah, some triple chrome boys. Definitely gonna have to reseal these, and oh my god, these are packaged like a 5-year-old. But yeah, triple chromies. Nothing too crazy. But that should look good. So yeah, that's what we got. So we took off this headlight and we just threw on the triple chrome. So that's the triple chrome. God damn, I need to get a bulb though for it. So and then that's the OEM. They're like tinted, and this is obvious downgrade in lighting, but I don't drive the car at night or super often. So, you know, it'll be okay. But the triple chromes go crazy. So I'm gonna remove this one here and throw on. Honestly, a lot of the reviews online said like the fitment was like super bunk. I mean, it lined up perfectly for me. I won't lie. Like, I had zero issues fitting them. So, yeah, I just need to buy bulbs. But I'll just order some up from AutoZone across my street and go pick them up. They take 5 seconds to throw in, so I'm not worried. But I am curious to see how they look. So I'm going to go ahead and change this up. The triple chromes. Not bad. It's kind of crazy. Alright, so we got the fucking windshield wiper debacle out. Troubles because I had to take the bar out. Okay, I won't lie. I haven't had windshield wipers in so long. Have everything bolted up. You don't need force scan to recalibrate. All you need to do is go into your car with the wipers off and bump your wipers one cycle and then stop them. Go back to your car, turn it off, go into accessory mode again, put your wipers on, Holy shit, I haven't had wipers in so long. I think 2 years I haven't had wipers. That's madness. But yeah, all right. I think the next thing on the list, I think I'm gonna take this grill out and put the OEM one back in. I think because it is a mess. I didn't do a great job. I think I have a grinder actually. I could maybe grind down all these tabs and shit. But like you see, it's like super rough. I didn't knock anything down because I did it the weekend before I went to the track. But maybe if I could grind all that down, we'll see. Put a towel over like the bash bar or something. But we have wipers. That's huge. Yeah. Put you down for a second. So like maybe something like that. Then take like a grinder wheel and knock it down. But I'm thinking I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna jack the car up. I'm gonna paint my rear calipers. Yeah, that should be good. I do like these wheels on there, but I do want something a little louder. So I'm still waiting on my bolts. They're taking 10 years. But what we can do is I ordered new center taps, and we can take this off. These, and we could repaint these. I think a gray would be nice. And then like the same gray that's on there. And then the bolts are gonna be chrome, and then we'll just polish out the wheels. So that's the only 2 things left to do today. That's it. I don't know, what do you guys think of these triple chrome headlights? I think it'll look better with the wheels, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna go move the cars, pull this car out, and yeah, get to painting. Well, I got lazy, but yeah, that's the car in its glory. with the triple chromes and the chrome headlights. Yeah, that shit is more like it, to be honest. And the complete grille, that looks so much better. Yeah, that looks so good there, honestly. I kind of regret taking off my other chromes. You know, gotta take some pictures of this guy. Oh, she looks good. She looks good. We got the matching rears. Beautiful.